Oh, there's one. I was moving that thing like freaking crazy, dude. Oh, I mean, I was moving that thing like freaking crazy, man. 7 smallmouth bass, little over, let's see, an hour and 30 minutes fishing. 7 smallies. I mean, what else could you want? It is a beautiful night down here on Chartiers Creek, Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. The first the first 5 fish you guys saw I caught, I was using a green pumpkin weightless Finesse TRD, Wacky rigged on the Chris Zaldane size 1 weedless Finesse hooks. And then it started to get dark out. Water wasn't very clear. Or I mean, it's clear, but it's got like a green hue to it, and I couldn't see my lure in it. So if I couldn't see it, I figured the smallies couldn't see it. So I switched over to a 5-inch green pumpkin and white Senko, and we landed 2 more now that it got a little bit darker. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Tyler, on my Larry fishing. Bass Pro Set, baby. Temps in the 60s. Water's gonna be freezing cold. There's one. Feels like a good one. Oh my God, come on, be hooked good, baby. Be hooked good, baby. Oh, he's coming straight towards me. Please be hooked good. Oh, please be hooked good. He's not a giant, but he's a decent sized one. First one on the day, at least first bite. We haven't landed him yet, but Wacky rigged Finesse TRD, size 1 Chris Zaldane hooks. Can't tell how big he is. I know he's at least okay size. He's fighting pretty good. Relax and stay down. Relax. Come here. Chewie, do not want to come to me at all. He's not a bad little size tiger stripe guy if I can get him landed here. Come here, dude, and I'll let you go. As he rips the pole in half. How about that? Look at that smallie. That's a good size smallie. Let me put my freaking rod back together here. Oh. He freaking pulled my rod apart. Look at that smallmouth. That's a good size smallie. My God. Chris Zaldane hook. Got him pegged up. Oh. There we go. Oh, look at that good size smallmouth, ladies and gentlemen, to start the night. Like I said, Tyler, on my Larry fishing. Bass Slingers Pro Staff. Look at that. That's probably near a 2-pound smallmouth, man. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Tiger stripe pattern. Hooked him up nice, beautiful fish. Great fight to start the night, guys. Great fight. Look at that beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh, I guess grab my rod here again. Look at that guy. Get the release here. Mean mad. How about that, guys? There's one to start the night. Nice, hefty chunk of a smallie. Wacky rig, Finesse TRD. So he hit it good. I mean, got my rod all messed up here. I should have took my rod apart. Oh, that's a good fish start the night, guys. Make sure we're recording. We are. Good fish start the night. There's one. He hit it off the bump. He hit it off the bump, baby. Oh. Please be hooked good. Please be hooked good, dear Lord. There's another one. I can't tell how big he is. I think roughly the same size as the last one I caught, but I don't know. And smallmouth will trick you. They'll come close to you and then they'll do that. They'll run on you. That's why you gotta set the drag loose. But see, I pulled it up, it was tight, and then I set it into him. I don't know if you guys saw that. Oh, please be hooked good, darling. Oh, he is. He's way bigger. Oh. Way bigger. Thank you. Oh my God, look at that chunk. He's a little bit bigger. He's not a giant. Look at that battle-torn smallie, baby. Look, he's been caught before, obviously. I just hooked him right there. And then look at that big old scrape. Man, he's a fighter. Look at that chunk of a smallmouth, ladies and gentlemen. My God. Now, he's definitely 2 pounds with that thick tail. Oh, you're a beautiful big fish. Look at him. Big fish. We'll get him back too. And we'll keep fishing. It's all right over there against that rock bank, guys. Look at that big, beautiful smallmouth. He says I'm eating everything. He says I'm eating everything. That's looking good. Oh, he says I'm eating everything, baby. There's 2 of them. I guess it's gonna be all bigs today, huh? I didn't even feel him hit anything. It felt like a snag, and then when I lifted up and saw it moving, I set it again. Set the hook any chance you get, guys. And see, that's over there off in the soft and the shallow. 2 freaking big ones already. Feels like a good one too. Floating it down in current that time. He's not a giant, just a regular sized guy. Oh, he's a little guy. Little guy. Not bad sized guy, but he ain't a big guy. Relax a little bit. Right to the roof of the mouth, right where you want it. There's our 3rd one. That time just slow floating it down in current. 3rd one, beautiful bronze guy. Look, he's starting to get his get on him. He's starting to get his get on him, eating like he gonna be a big guy. Look at that. 3rd one in about 30 minutes on the Wacky rigged Finesse TRD, boys and girls. Let's go. That was just floating it down in the current. On the tap, baby. On the tap. Please be hooked good, darling. Oh, on the tap. Please be hooked good. On the tap, dude. On the tap. He's not that big. Please be hooked good, but he is fighting like he's a freaking hog. Look at that on the tap, boys. Just floating it down in current. This is why you go smallmouth fishing, man. Look at this. A 5-pound largemouth don't fight this hard. These things are little creek sharks. I mean, he's not tiny, but he sure ain't big. It looks like he's got a cool pattern on him here. Trying to get up in the trees. Oh, look at that beautiful tiger stripe fish, man. Oh, he got it on the bottom. That's why it felt so freaking weird. It always feels so weird when they get on the freaking bottom. Oh, look at that beautiful fish. Look, perfect tiger stripes on that side. And then look at that side. It's almost like a freaking tie-dye smallmouth, man. I floated it down in current and I was just tapping it. You guys just saw the tap method, baby. It works for crappie, perch, and apparently bass. Let's freaking go. Look at this beautiful smallie, man. Look at that beautiful smallmouth. Thank you, dear Lord. There's the 4th one tonight. Look at that beautiful, beautiful fish. See you later, little dude. Beautiful fish, man. Beautiful fish. Oh, came out of nowhere. Came out of nowhere. Please be hooked good, baby. Oh my God. Came out of freaking nowhere, biggin'. Or he's not giant, but man, he's got some size on him and he's fighting like freaking crazy. Came out of freaking nowhere, man. Oh. Relax, dude. Relax, dude. Knocked my worm clear up my fishing line, man. Oh, out of nowhere, there's 5 of them. Be hooked good, baby. Stay and relax. I mean, he came up out the water like 3-4 times. Oh, look at that, another nice one. Not a giant, but a good fish, man. Oh, good fish. Oh, like I said, he's not a giant, but he's a good one. Look at that little smallmouth belly and the thick tail, dude. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. There's 5 of them, ladies and gentlemen. Came out of freaking nowhere. I mean, out of freaking nowhere. Coming out the water 3 times. Oh, you're a beautiful, beautiful fighting fish, buddy. Thank you, man. Look at that beautiful, majestic smallie. Look at my worm clear up my line. I mean, he came out of nowhere, dude. It's getting a little dark, hard to see. So I'm switching. I can't even see if I can't see it, I know they can't see it. So I switched from the green pumpkin Finesse TRD to the green pumpkin and white Senko. Just maybe give them something to see, something to get a little bit further down in current. There's one. Nice one. Oh, relax, dude. Don't be getting in these rocks here. Oh, he's not even that big. He is just feisty. Oh my God, there's 6 of them, boys. Look at that. Switch to the green pumpkin white Senko and bam, baby. Look at that fish. He's not even that big. He felt like a freaking giant the way he hit that thing. My God. See, like I said, I don't think they could see my little green pumpkin Finesse Chris Aldane with the Z-Man TRD because it was green pumpkin. Oh, there's one. I was moving that thing like freaking crazy, dude. Oh, I mean, I was moving that thing like freaking crazy, man. Oh, relax, dude. Oh, relax, man. I was moving that Senko like crazy, like a jerk bait. Just pop, 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 pop. Don't get up in that current. Quit jumping. Oh, look at this little chunk. There's 7 of them, and he freaking tried to choke the thing too, man. Look at that chunky smallmouth, ladies and gentlemen. There's 7 of them. Freaking choked. I got it out of him. My God, look at that freaking chunk, man. I wish I'd get. He got my worm. Can't get it. I got everything else though. All right, dude. There's 7 of them. Let's freaking go, boys. I fought hard. Go. Oh. We calling that a night. 7 smallmouth bass, little over, let's see, an hour and 30 minutes fishing. 7 smallies. I mean, what else could you want? It is a beautiful night down here on TRD'S Creek, Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. The first the first 5 fish you guys saw I caught, I was using a green pumpkin weightless Finesse TRD, wacky rigged on the Chris Zaldain size 1 weedless Finesse hooks. And then it started to get dark out. Water wasn't very clear. Or I mean, it's clear, but it's got like a green hue to it, and I couldn't see my lure in it. So if I couldn't see it, I figured the smallies couldn't see it. So I switched over to a 5-inch green pumpkin and white Senko, and we landed 2 more now that it got a little bit darker. When the water's low and clear, this is like my 3rd video this summer showing you guys, the wacky rig is the way to go. You can fill a limit in a very, very quick hurry with a wacky rig. It's so silent, you can catch multiple fish out of the same hole because it's a nice silent presentation, but it's also a natural presentation where you can catch loads of fish. I'm Tyler, All My Larry Fishing, Bass Slingers Pro Staff. I had a blast tonight battling these illustrious smallmouth bass. Yeah, that's right, I call them illustrious. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following, sharing, all that stuff. Like I said, Tyler, All My Larry Fishing, Bass Slingers Pro Staff, baby. Let's freaking go.